Ever wondered what happens when two trains traveling at high speeds collide head-on? It's a scenario that seems unthinkable, a spectacle of twisted metal and heart-stopping force. Yet despite all the safety measures in place, it's a scenario that has played out in real life more often than we'd like to admit. It's a world where the power of human error meets the unstoppable force of technology. Well, the reality is both frightening and intriguing at the same time. Let's delve into the world of train collisions. Train collisions, though rare, do occur, and the numbers might surprise you. Around the globe, the frequency of these incidents is relatively low, thanks to the advanced safety measures and stringent regulations in place. However, the fact remains that even one such event is one too many. In the grand scheme of things, train collisions account for a minuscule percentage of overall transportation accidents. Yet, when they do happen, they make headlines due to their sheer magnitude and the potential for devastating consequences. Imagine, if you will, two colossal forces of steel and steam, each weighing thousands of tons colliding head-on. The result is as dramatic as it is destructive. Over the past decade, there have been less than 100 reported cases of train collisions worldwide. Each of these incidents, though few and far between, has caused significant damage, loss of life, and disruption to rail services. The cost of these accidents, both in terms of human lives and financial impact, is staggering. The reasons behind these collisions are varied, ranging from human error and mechanical failures to adverse weather conditions and miscommunications. Despite the best efforts of railway authorities and the continuous advancements in technology, these unfortunate incidents still occur. As you can see, despite the rarity, the impact and consequences of train collisions are immense. So, what causes these colossal disasters? That's the question we've all been pondering, isn't it? Let's delve into the labyrinth of reasons that lead to these catastrophic train collisions. Firstly, human error. It's an unfortunate truth that we humans aren't infallible. Despite our best intentions, mistakes can and do happen, sometimes with disastrous consequences. For instance, a moment of distraction or an incorrect judgment call can lead to a train being on the wrong track at the wrong time. In fact, human error accounts for nearly 1/3 of all train collisions, highlighting the need for continuous training and stringent safety protocols. Next up, technical failures. These are mechanical or electrical faults that can occur in the train's operating systems. From brake failures to signaling issues, these technical glitches can lead to catastrophic accidents. Though they only account for about 1/4 of all train collisions, their potential for damage is immense. This underscores the importance of regular maintenance checks and updates to the train's systems. Lastly, let's not forget about environmental factors. Extreme weather conditions, unexpected obstacles on the track, or even animal interference can sometimes lead to these collisions. While these occurrences are less frequent, contributing to about 15% of all train collisions, they still pose significant risks. So, you see, there's a complex web of factors at play here. Each one in isolation might not seem like much, but when these factors collide, quite literally, they can lead to the unthinkable, a train collision. Be it human error, technical failures, or environmental factors, it's clear that prevention is key. This is where safety measures and protocols come into play. From rigorous training programs for staff to regular maintenance checks and advanced warning systems, these measures are crucial in preventing these colossal disasters. Hence, it's clear that a variety of factors contribute to these accidents, making it all the more important for stringent safety measures to be in place. So, we've taken a journey into the world of train collisions, a journey that's both intriguing and alarming. We've delved into the unthinkable, exploring the sheer magnitude of these incidents and the impact they have on lives and infrastructure. We've examined the startling statistics, revealing just how often these collisions occur, and we've peered behind the scenes to uncover the reasons behind these devastating events. From human error and equipment failure to communication breakdowns and track defects. Throughout our journey, we've underscored the critical role of safety measures. From the engineers who tirelessly maintain and inspect the tracks, to the conductors who navigate these powerful machines and the technologies that aid them, each cog in this complex system plays a vital part in keeping our railways safe. While we continue to marvel at the power and beauty of trains, let's never forget the importance of safety, for it is the line that separates a thrilling ride from a catastrophic disaster.